Bonjour Français 2. Hello French 2. We are looking at the screen of period 3, but this will also be for period 1. This is for the instructions for the quiz. Here is your home screen of your Google Class. Je vais à classwork. Go to classwork. Here is your weekly assignment. I just changed its name, but it is called Assignment 6, Quiz 1, Speaking. Assignment, make your audio file and turn it in. That is what I'm going to show you now. Allons-y. Je vais toucher assignment. Instructions, voila. Make your audio file. You will pick one page from Google Doc or Google Slides. I suggest Slides, and you will read it. So I'm going to open that. I will read this page here that we look at. Je retourne. Here comes Vocaroo. Here are the instructions with vocaroo.com. You make a recording. Here's the instructions here. Make a recording, then hit save and share, and then copy the link to this assignment and turn it in. So here comes Vocaroo. Je le rends plus petit. I make it smaller. Je vais ici. Voilà. Pardon. And allons-y. Let's go make the recording. Here's my recording button. Here is Vocaroo, my recording button. Tu aimes beaucoup lire? J'aime un peu lire. J'aime bien envoyer des textos. J'aime beaucoup faire du sport. And you read the rest of the page. On va au café. Tu voudrais aller, etc. You read all the French on this page. And I stop now. I just made the Google recording. I hit save and share. I think I could play it back right now to check my recording. You can do that. I will hit save and share. Here is the internet link that you see. That is an internet link. I copy it using this button to the right. Copy the link. I now go back to Google Class. I will go to my assignment. This would be, for example, your work. I will go to Angel's work. If Angel were doing his work, if I were Angel, he could put it here in private comment. So I don't even need a file attached. I could do private comment. I hit paste, which is Control V, or paste with my mouse. And there is the map. I just sent him a comment. So that is, I will explain to Angel. This is a sample from Mr. Curran. Voila. So we just turned in our work. I'm saying post. You would say turn in. No files attached. It will probably tell you, hey, no files attached. But don't worry, turn it in, and I will see it. Thank you for turning in your speaking quiz.